Hi, this is Dr. Scott Hoar, and today is Treatment Tuesday, and today we actually have a repeat patient. This is Kaylin Johnson from right here in Knoxville, Tennessee. Kaylin, welcome back.
Thanks for having me back. I'm excited.
Good. How long has it been since your first treatment here?
I think it's been 3 months, maybe more.
Something like that.
Gosh, I can't with 2020. I can't remember.
Yeah,
Time just.
it's a crazy year.
About 3 months.
All right, so you came in with low back pain the first time.
Yes.
And how has that gone after your treatment?
I was a little bit sore afterwards, but honestly, I haven't been experiencing any lower back pain. I also got like a new mattress topper, but whenever I do my workouts, I've been focusing on strengthening my hips since I had scoliosis and didn't know my hips were unaligned, but I haven't had any pain since
Awesome.
the last time I saw you,
So you were telling me off camera that you've actually changed some of your habits since our first exam and treatment. Tell me a little bit about that.
So I'm doing hot yoga, and you can tone your body, but you really are stretching too. And I feel like it has allowed me to, I don't know, be more flexible and not be as tight. Because I think whenever we were together, I was doing like these stretches, and I was so like tight. I couldn't fully twist my body around. And it's like I need to start stretching more instead of just weightlifting.
Sure.
So that's been really great.
Awesome. Okay, so looking at her re-examination, we're really excited because her ability to extend through her hips and her spine was much, much better than the first time we saw it. And that's probably one of the reasons why her lower back is feeling good. So what I'm going to do is go and check for some imbalances, see if there's anything I can help with. But we're really excited that, number one, she is rid of pain, because that's always the first goal. And then number two, we want to look at how can we improve her overall function, her balance, her posture throughout her body. So congrats on not being in pain, and let's jump right into it.
Sounds good.
All right. All right, let that drop right there. Very good.
Whew.
And then there's a little bit right over here. Yeah, a little bit right there. Drop that. Very good. She was mentioning that she's been having some headaches lately as well. So a little bit of restriction in the upper cervical spine towards her skull. We did feel a little bit of restriction in there, so freeing that up, hopefully that helps things out with her headache situation. All right, big old hug. Scooch down just a little bit. That should be good. A little stiff there. Why don't you put your chin to your chest? Good. And again, chin to chest. Sit your head up just a little bit. That's good. Okay, good. I'm going to check a couple of things about your shoulder girdle. Bend your elbow. I'm going to pull your elbow out like so.
Okay.
So resist that motion. Ready? Okay. It's pretty strong.
Okay.
Make a fist for me. Pushing down. Resist that. Very good. Okay, relax. I'm going to go around. Elbow in here. Pull out here towards me. Don't let me. Again. That one's a little weaker, isn't it?
Okay.
Good. So I'm going to stick my thumb in your armpit, wrap my hand around your shoulder blade. We're adjusting the articulation between the rib cage and the shoulder blade to make sure that that's not restricted at all. Take a deep breath. Breathe on out. Very good. Okay. Pulling out towards me. A little stronger, yeah?
Okay.
All right, good. Now we're check out these hips.
Okay. I'm good. I'm a little sore right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'm going to give it my best shot here.
All right, muscle test. I'm going to
Okay.
push down. Resist that. Ready? Oh, no.
I'm so weak.
Other side. Pushing down. Ready? Okay. Turn and face this way. All right, deep breath. Breathe out.
Oh, wow, I needed that one.
Okay, perfect. Lay on your back.
Okay.
Now. All right, muscle test. I'm going to push down.
Okay.
Resist. Much better, huh? All right, good. Let's All right, muscle test. I'm gonna straighten your knee. Don't let me do that. Perfect, other side. Pushing down, don't let me. Perfect. Raise your knee up towards the ceiling. Hold it right there. I'm gonna push down. That's a little weak there. Do this one, pushing down. And that's the strong one. Okay. So the hip extension was off on the right side. So that's kind of glute max and those sorts of muscles. The nerve roots that control that exit your sacrum right here. So that's why we're adjusting that.
Okay.
Deep breath. Good. And sometimes there's cracks. Sometimes there's not cracks. So go face down now. Okay. Knee up. Hold it right there, pushing down. And look at that difference. Big difference, huh?
Yeah.
All right, one thing I want to check your feet here today. So flip around on your back. A little bit of stiffness in there. Those toes. All right, I'm going to adjust the arch here.
Oh, wow.
Good. Good, one more here. All right, switch feet. Yeah, that was a kerplunk, huh?
That was good.
All right, last one here.
Okay.
Perfect.
Wow.
Keep your teeth together, touch your chin up to your chest and down. And it's shaky, a little bit uncomfortable, but not painful. Make a fist. I'm going to push down. Keep resisting and touch your chin up to your chest and down. And that was better, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was a little better.
Okay, this time I am going to put the kettlebell back in your left hand.
Okay.
What I want you to do is focus. When you touch your chin to your chest, kind of roll your head up. See the difference there? It's all one rolling kind of motion. Grip very tight. Switch knees. And before you move your neck, just kind of stabilize this. So squeeze what you got to squeeze. Good. And now roll your chin up to your chest.
Oh, did it getting up. Okay.
Good. Look right here.
Okay. It's a little better. I still want to pick up my neck for more support. I don't know how to fix it.
Switch arms.
Okay. And legs.
Make a fist.
Okay.
Go for it. Was that any better?
Let's do it one more time. I think so. Yeah.
Bend both knees. Relax your arms.
Okay.
I'm going to put a fist between your knees. Try to break my fist.
Okay. Leg squeeze.
Hard. Hard. Keep squeezing,
Okay.
and now chin to chest. That was easier,
That
wasn't
was
it?
better, yeah.
Okay, good. So we looked at cervical spine flexion. Now, cervical spine flexion, a lot of people really mess that up. With forward head posture, we tend to get kind of that thing going on. And even when we go to flex our necks, instead of getting segmental flexion, we kind of jet our chin out, and that's an indicator that the deep cervical flexion muscles really aren't doing their job.
So when I was first doing it, I realized I was like lifting my neck up and then touching my chin to my chest, and then you were like, okay, you gotta like do like a rolling motion, and I felt like it activated more of the muscles or just everything together to help stabilize it.
Exactly.
And then you had me hold everything.
Good.
Oh man.
What's sore?
Oh, my abs that I don't have.
Well, just wait. I'm going to put a weight in your hand now.
Oh yeah.
Same exercise.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah.
How was that Turkish
So
get
this
up?
is gonna help. It was a Turkish get up. That's good ab exercise if anyone needs a new ab workout.
So Turkish get up is actually a complete body exercise where you start with the weight in your hand and you go through the 2 steps we did. And then you kneel upright and then you actually stand up and then you do it all in reverse.
Oh, okay.
And so it's a fantastic full body stability and control exercise that we just used a little segment of it to focus on turning your neck stability into more full body movement than just the neck. So that's our treatment today. Kaylin, how was that for you today?
That was awesome. It popped a lot more than I was expecting.
Yeah. You can look up Kaylin on YouTube at
Kaylin, KAILYNBOO_92.
Thanks for tuning in to Treatment Tuesday. Check in us next week for our next Treatment Tuesday video. I'm Dr. Scott Hoar. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and hit the like button, and we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.